Alright guys, so today I'm doing a quick how-to on your 2005 Toyota Avalon. This is a rear sway bar link. Let's check it out. So this piece right here can cause a little bit of road noise when you're driving, and if it spins, if it just twists like that, that's usually an indicator that it's time to replace it. You shouldn't just be able to twist it with your hands. But anyways, it's a 14mm bolt right here, and then you can stick an Allen wrench in there to prevent the stud from spinning. Another thing you can do is if you booger that Allen wrench piece up right there, is you can take a pair of vice grips and clamp down just behind here, and then take your 14 and twist it off. That'll work as well. And then of course we got the other end, which is right here, so we just disconnect those two pieces right here, and this guy just pops out. It's a pretty simple project. So that's it. Thanks for watching.